If Orbi is in trouble and needs your help, he will stop and his trouble indicator will blink. Open the bObsweep app to see what the issue is. Orbi's trouble messages are visible on the control page of the bObsweep app. Tap on the trouble message at the top of the screen for more details. Once you are finished reading, tap OK to make the message disappear. If Orbi is having trouble with his left or right wheels, check them for obstruction and clean them. If Orbi is having trouble with his main or side brushes, remove and clean them. You may use tweezers to remove congestion from the brush ends, or scissors or the cleaning tool to cut hair wrapped around the brushes. Clean brush components, including the main and side brush compartments and the main brush gate. If Orbi is having trouble with his dustbin, the dustbin is disconnected, too full, or the vacuum motor is jammed or congested, remove and dust the filters. Wash and wipe the dustbin and air dry all parts completely before putting them back together. Wipe the dustbin container inside Orbi and remove any congestion that could be blocking the flow of air, then reinsert the dustbin. It's recommended that you clean Orbi's dustbin to avoid congestion buildup. If Orbi is having trouble with his bumper, check the bumper for obstruction and clean it. Tap and lightly press the bumper from end to end to ensure it can move freely. You may use a cleaning brush or compressed air to remove any congestion. If Orbi is having trouble with his edge sensors, clean the sensors. If Orbi's off-ground or tilted, reposition Orbi so all of his sensors are on the ground and move Orbi away from edges and stairs. If Orbi's LiDAR is having trouble, check the LiDAR for obstruction and clean it. Orbi's LiDAR is a sensitive sensor. Do not apply force, insert objects, or adjust the sensor. If the LiDAR is not clean and has lost visibility, clean the LiDAR and move Orbi away from mirrors or metallic surfaces and close to a wall. You may use compressed air to remove dust. If LiDAR's bumper is having trouble, then the LiDAR bumper might have jammed. Check for obstruction and clean to remove congestion. If Orbi has battery trouble, his battery can be critically low or disconnected. Make sure Orbi is powered on, then place Orbi on his charging station and charge him. If the issue continues, open the battery compartment and check the battery's connection. If Orbi is having a user interface trouble, Orbi's user interface or USB port is not responding. Check the USB port on Orbi and remove any USB key or wire connected to the USB port. Then reset him by flipping the power off and back on. If Orbi is reporting a charging station trouble, he may not be able to locate the charging station properly. Carefully unplug the charging station and clean its front window. Plug it back to the wall and send Orbi to charge. Once Orbi docks, check to make sure the battery indicator is flashing, confirming Orbi is charging. If Orbi is reporting stuck, it's likely his path is not clear or too crowded. Clear away any clutter or wires, open any door blocking his path, then place Orbi in the middle of the room and resume cleaning. Do not relocate Orbi's charging station once he's done mapping the house, or he can get disoriented. If Orbi is having navigation or mapping problems, it is likely he is having an issue with the environment he's working in. Try restarting Orbi from his charging station. Do not relocate Orbi's charging station once he's done mapping the house, or he can get disoriented. If the issue persists, Orbi is unable to locate his position in the map. Verify the active cleaning map on the bObsweep app and switch to the correct floor map. Then place Orbi in the center of the room and resume cleaning. If the issue continues, erase the map and let Orbi remap the floor. Then use the map menu to save the active map. This way you can load the saved map into active if Orbi ever has navigation issues again. If Orbi is having settings trouble, Settings on the app don't match Orbi's own settings. As a result, Orbi may skip cleaning some rooms where the incompatibility exists, or he may skip cleaning altogether and return to his charging station. Check Orbi's map on your phone and make the necessary adjustments to make it possible for Orbi to complete his tasks. For example, if Orbi is not entering a room you wish to be cleaned, make sure the room is not blocked by a no-sweep zone. If Orbi is having electronic trouble, reset Orbi by switching him off and back on. For further assistance with troubleshooting, please contact our helpful support team.